even keep this to myself. I'm so excited. Just look at the amount of potatoes I've harvested from one plant. This is the bed, my garlic bed. I planted potatoes last season and then so they are coming up on their own. That is the reason why I'm planting them in bags. And these are the other ones, and I put some out, which I wish I didn't. But there's one particular plant, this one here, and I decided to just pull it out and see what we've got, guys. There's potatoes, like potatoes. And if I go, I can't. There's more in there. There's more there. So let's dig it out. Guys, I'm not going to edit this video. I'll just post it. Just that is insane. They're rotten. Oh my goodness. That's humongous. What? So I have, look at that, 3 potatoes and I did not even look after them. That's insane. I feel like potatoes that they just come up on their own, they actually grow better than maybe the one you look after, because this is crazy, guys. This is insane. These potatoes, I did not do anything. Well, I have put fertilizer actually in this garden for my garlic specifically, but potatoes? No, look at that. Come on. I regret pulling all the potatoes that was coming up in this garden. I'm gonna leave that one, and I hope another one comes up, because I don't think, you know, the idea of me planting potatoes in grow bags, forget that one. I will just plant potatoes in one bed and they can come up every year and I'm not doing anything with them, because this is more exciting. Like, seriously more exciting. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. This is really helping. You guys are helping a lot, so thank you so much for your support. Potatoes, free potatoes, guys, like free potatoes.